Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can log into your Samsung account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up any type of browser you have on your PC, and the next thing you want to do is open Google. Then go ahead and search for Samsung Login on your Google search bar, and you can see this site open up. So you can go ahead and click on this site, and you can see as soon as you open this site, the sign in option is shown. Go ahead and click on sign in if you have an account, or else if you don't have an account, you can see create account option over here, so you can easily create a Samsung account as well. Go ahead and click on sign in, as we are going to sign in to your account. Now, if you scroll a bit down, you can see there are two ways to sign into your account, or you can say three ways. The first way is the email address, the second way is signing in using your Google account, and the third way is to sign in using your QR code. So if you want to sign in using your QR code, you must be signed in on your phone as well. Then you can just go ahead and scan the code and sign in. So I'm going to give you the example by signing in using my email address. But if you have registered using Google, you can do that as well. So go ahead and write down the email address, click on remember my ID if you want your ID to be remembered by this browser, click next, and the next thing you want to do is write down the password to your account. Go ahead and check your password once, and after you check your password, click sign in. And as soon as you click on sign in, you can see that it will ask you if you want to be signed in this browser. So go ahead and click on say sign in or not now according to your wish. And as soon as you do that, you will easily be signed in to your Samsung account. I hope this video about how you can sign into your Samsung account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.